My drive really comes from having it rough. I'm an orphan, I've been homeless, and I slept in cars. As my options started to open up, more positive things, I mash on them, and I don't turn down. I say I don't turn down nothing but my collar, and I keep that up. So I started in the business being a rapper. So I did like 8 consecutive albums, and then I had an opportunity to become an actor. I was in New Jack City, and I've acted in over 100 movies. That road took me to working with Dick Wolf on Law & Order, which is the longest running show in television history, which makes me the longest running actor in television history. Imagine that, playing the police on top of that. I also have a metal band called Body Count, which just recently won a Grammy for Best Metal Performance. So when I'm making a record, I'm not worried about how many it's gonna sell. I'm just worried about how good it is. Dr. Dre used to tell me that. He says, art first. Art has to come first. A lot of people want to go after those rewards, and they're not doing the work. Do the work first. In my career, as far as music and just entertainment, how important being in the right place on time is. We call it doing your numbers. You got to do your numbers. You got to be here at 1, you got to be here at 3. I still drive myself to the set. I drive myself to my shows. It's very important that you have reliable transportation when it's taking you to and from these types of jobs. Out of all the things I do in life, really what makes me the most happy, other than my wife, are my cars. And I also like to get there in style.